Hey everyone, Louie here with MyKettlebellTrainer.com, and I've got a good one for you today. It is leg day, so this one's going to be for time, and we're going to start off with 30 pistols, 15 on each leg. Then we're going to do 30 airborne lunges, 15 each leg, and then we're going to finish with 200 swings, okay? Just for fun, since your legs will be all warmed up and everything anyways, all right? So I'm going to be using body weight for the pistols and airborne lunges today. And then I'm going to use a 53-pounder for the swings. Now on the swings you can do two-handed swings, you can do one-arm swings, you can do hand-to-hand, whatever you want to do is fine. I like to do one-arm swings so that way I could do like 10 and then switch it and kind of keep going, because usually your hips will last a lot longer than your grip will if you're holding it two-handed there. All right, so I'm going to get started here and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, everyone, so just got done. Took me 12 minutes and 50 seconds to complete that. And I use body weight for pistols and the airborne lunges, and then use a 53-pound bell for the 200 swings. I did 80 swings without putting it down, took a little break, then did another 60, took a little break, and then another 60 after that. And boy, my butt cheeks can feel it. All right, you guys, so enjoy that one. Leg day is fun as always. And subscribe so you get workouts 5 days a week. Like the workout, because I know you're gonna love it, so you might as well at least like it. And then share with your friends, you guys. Let's spread the word. All right, you guys. Also, in the comments below, put what weight you use, how long it took you, and yeah, enjoy it, you guys. All right, so have fun with that one, you guys. And as always, stay strong, my friends.